So here I have a capacitor. According to this, it says 25,000 MFD. You might think that means mega or milli. Turns out that means microfarad, approximately 25,000 micros. Okay. Now, let's see. Maybe you were thinking, hey, why don't I just get out my LCR meter designed to measure capacitances, just throw that on here, and I'll show you what happens very rapidly. It's going over limit, and you can even change the frequency and see if you can do that. Still over limit. So how could I measure this capacitance and get a slightly more precise value? Well, let's take a look over here. So here I have a power supply, right, and it's set to about 2 volts. We'll get a DMM on that in a minute to verify that number a little bit more precisely. And this is just a switch. And now right here I've got this same capacitor. Now this is an electrolytic, so I want to keep track of the polarity. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it doesn't matter. But so now I have an R and a C. And in addition, I'll come in here with this. Alright. Come on now. And now that's hooked up to this power supply. And because I don't trust those numbers, let's come into here, and I can read the voltage across this, about 2 volts, or I could read it across here, about 2 volts. It's the same. Since it's easier for me to set up, I'm just going to grab this one here, and this one here. So now I'm measuring the voltage. And now hopefully what I could do here, you can see that this switch, I'm going to try and open that switch and start this stopwatch at the same time. And then we're going to try and watch the voltage here. And so hopefully what you can do is you can pause periodically and take data for voltage versus time. Is it going to be perfect? No. So I'm going to try and throw this switch at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Remember, you can pause, you can hit slow-mo. This is not a very exciting video.
I got the shakes today too.
Oh, good. Hopefully you can see the numbers. 20 seconds, about 1.017 volts is what I saw. "30 seconds was about 0.724. I can get, oh, I can't get more sig figs yet. Your numbers are going to be better than mine. 40 seconds was about 0.517. Just trying to do the best I can, but again, I trust your measurements more than me. 50 and somewhere in the 0.36 or 0.37. $60 in the 0.26 range. Now remember, when this gets below 200, I can get us an extra sig fig here. 70 was about there. And we're going to let this run maybe about 2 minutes. Maybe let's just go 100 seconds. I think that'll be pretty good. And there's 90 seconds. There's about 100 seconds. Oh, let's do the full 2 minutes. 20 seconds isn't going to kill you. There was 110, and then we'll get the 2 minute mark here. Okay, that's about 2 minutes. Let's call that good.